Oh, hey there. Hi there. I'm Mr. Connolly. Welcome to my practically perfect fortunes. Do you want to know when I'm going to check annotations next? Do you want to know when the Wi-Fi is going to crash again? Well, let me just check my magic envelope for you. Well, if that sounds great, then stop by Mr. Connolly's practically perfect fortunes in room C201. Here are some clips from some satisfied customers.
Mr. Conley, is the new headmaster going to know my name next year?
Well, I don't even have to look in the envelope for that. Moo-ha-ha.
Mr. Connolly, am I ever going to get around to reading Moby Dick?
Sure.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Is House of Peter gonna win the House Cup?
Let me check the magic envelope. No. Moo-ha-ha.